Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you find your contacts into Wise very easily. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to set up that, you just simply have to open your Wise application, and after opening the Wise application, simply unlock the application, and after unlocking it, you will get this page. Now just simply scroll down to all the way bottom in here, and after scrolling, you will get this option of send and request from contacts option. Just simply select that option and then tap to turn on. Now tap to go to settings, and into settings you just simply have to go over the permission setting and go over contacts, and now allow the contacts for Wise and go back to your Wise application, and again tap to turn on, and you can now find your contacts into Wise. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.